Welcome to McDermott Library's tutorial about the Diagnostic Lab collection located in the library in the Callier Center for Communication Disorders in Dallas. We'll begin with a brief overview of the collection. Next, you will learn how to find the list and use it to decide what to borrow. Finally, you will learn how to pay for scoring forms. Callier Library's Diagnostic Lab collection, sometimes called tests or kits for short, are used to measure a patient's response to stimuli in areas such as stuttering, articulation, swallowing, language development, phonological awareness, and neurological disorders. The materials included in each kit can vary, but they will generally have a manual with scoring tables and possibly include a stimulus book or objects that the patient will use when prompted. Most of the tests require the person issuing the prompts to record responses on an accompanying form, which is later compared to tables of standardized data in the manual. The average test has one form. Some may require 2 or 3 or multiple supplemental forms, while others may permit photocopying from the manual. This collection is available only to current UT Dallas students and faculty, supporting the Communication Disorders program and its requirement for hands-on experience administering clinical measures. Speech and language students will need the most up-to-date list of tests in the Diagnostic Lab, arranged in a categorized checklist for their clinical supervisors to initial as they progress. To find the list, visit library.utdallas.edu. Click Callier Library in the top menu, then click Diagnostic Lab. You will find the PDF of the list at the top of this page if needed. Use this web page when you are ready to borrow a test from Callier Library. You may borrow 3 at a time for a period of 7 days. As you scroll the list, you can find the titles that fit the categories you need to fulfill. Click the title to review the catalog record if you'd like to check availability, age group, or administration time. Give the test numbers and your comment card to the library staff. It's a good idea to check availability and jot down your choices, along with a few backups ahead of your visit. Let the staff know if you need the scoring forms, and they will tell you how many are required for the test you've selected. You can now begin paying for the forms at the library's computer while the staff is gathering your items and checking them out to your account. Please do not make payment before this point. Open a new Firefox or Chrome window and look to the top to find the bookmark button, Pay for Callier Library Test Protocols. Click this button and then click the green Pay for Test Protocols button to open EasyPay. These scoring forms are provided by Callier Library at a rate of $5 per form. Enter the quantity of forms and click Add to Cart. Complete the prompts that follow, then click Continue. Click Checkout on the page that follows. Skip the login prompt at the top of the next page, then complete the delivery address. Click Check Out as Guest. Complete the credit card information on the page that follows and submit. Library staff will receive a notification when you're done, and a receipt will be emailed to you. When you're finished using the test, it can be returned to the Callier Library service desk, to the return slot in the hallway outside the library door, or in the library return box found in the lobby near the main entrance. For assistance, email collierlibrary@utdallas.edu or call 972-883-3165. Thank you for watching.